Hi everyone, hello, สวัสดีครับ from Thailand. Today I will teach you how to make the phone case like this, a phone sleeve like this. It will be used like this. Just slot in and slide out, put in your pocket. Let's see the how to. Okay. For making the phone case, first of all, just find the blank model. It's easy one because you can find it in AliExpress, and find the case too. But if you don't want to make it the sleeve with the case, so just ditch the case. Then use the scrap piece of leather, but the scrap piece with a straight cut. I use a black clipper like this and just pen where it's end. Where it's end is where it's going to be stitched. Then we measuring the width of the phone. Hold it like supposed to be like center. Is on the center line. This is supposed to be the center of the sleeve, of the leather sleeve, like this. And then we measure on the other side. So it's gonna be like this. Make a mark on it, and then take out the model. And use the ruler. Let's measure 9.2. But then this is not the size of leather we have to cut. We have to plus about 3 mm from each side. 3 mm is about the range that the stitch from the edges. So 9.2 plus 0.6 equal to 9.8. So the width of the pattern is going to be 9.8 mm. Then we do again on the height of this pattern. Okay. So same like this, same. But then on top of it, we don't need to squeeze it because it's open. So when it's open, you just draw the line where you need to make it the opening 17.2. But still you need to add it up 3 mm. So it's going to be 17.2 plus 0.3 is equal to 17.5 centimeters. So this is my pattern based on 17.5 by 9.8. But the design is depend on you. You can make it a straight cut, but you have to see that it shouldn't be like over, like get inside into the phone area. No, you have to be designed according to the size of the phone. Or other thing you want, like making the case for the knife, you want to making the case for the Kindle or something. So it depends. And ta-da! Oh my! And ta-da! This is what I cut it. So I will stitch here, skip here, stitch here, do here, and this will have no video about I'm stitching. I suppose that you guys know how to stitch. Skip it, and after stitch I will show you how to make it wet for me. That's finished. Stitching all around, and after this I will dip into the water and make sure that you not use the real phone. No, just use the mock-up one. Okay, the mock-up. Then I will dip into the water. Make sure the water apply all to every single area. So open it. Okay, now we are ready. Okay, we are ready. I will place this plate out and I will put the mock-up. Now the water is soaked and the model is ready. I put the model in here. Now I will place the model, the mock-up on it. And down this chip. Okay, reshape. Okay, press it down. Okay, see that? And I have to check if it will balance or not. Use the bone folder. put it out to the outside.
So thank you very much for this episode. I'm making the phone sleeve. You can try, make it, and you can show me if you want to, or ask anything like some technique, or just write down below. And if you see me at the first time, please consider subscribe, like and share. I will drop every new video every Saturday 9 p.m. Thailand time. Thank you so much. Bye bye.